Adding the Next Wave SD100 to my shop has increased my production, reduced my work time, and maximized my efficiency, but it didn't happen overnight. Some things you should know about me. I'm not good at not being good at things. I consider myself intelligent, know my way around a computer, and I am typically a quick learner. I'm also impatient. So when things were not immediately successful, I got discouraged, intimidated. But like I said, I'm not good at not being good at things. So I allowed myself grace. I set aside time to focus and learn the programming. I allowed myself to fail, and then it all started to click. I can now confidently use this amazing tool, and I'm excited to continue to learn new ways to incorporate it into my work and studio practices. The driving force behind my work is sustainability, maximizing the use of my material and minimizing my waste. When tracing a sheet of plywood, I've always mapped out components for multiple projects of all sizes. The more I was able to get out of my material, the more time it took. Now I map out rectangles to use on my CNC. When creating files in VCarve, I label them by size and item and sort them into folders. That way, when I have, say, a 12 by 13 rectangle left over, I select a file from that folder and cut it using the CNC while I'm working on something else. The Next Wave SD100 available at Woodcraft is the perfect addition to my shop. The footprint is great for small workspaces, and the 12 by 13 cutting area is ideal for my purposes and smaller projects. I learned so much more than how to use VCarve and run the machine from the computer. I learned there's excitement in trial and error. There are new possibilities in the unfamiliar, and overcoming intimidation results in confidence.